This is not my wheelhouse. This is only the second time I've ever done something like this. Okay. So this is what I wanted. I'm going to show you both sides. So I notched it here just so it can clear this ledge. I got the angle perfect here. So that's nice and tight and flush. And we're level up here. So that's perfect. Okay, so you can see here that covers most of the 2x5.5 or 2x6. Nice and tight fit there. Let's get down here. There you go. There's a whole picture of it. So you can see I got it nice and tight, and that's exactly what I wanted. No, Cooper. Okay, rafters are installed. Now I got to do hurricane ties, both sides. I got to get something or do hurricane ties over here. Either one would work, I would think. I'll research it a little bit. I know that they make a angled, like in this case, I tried for a 7-degree. I ended up with a 6-degree angle on my roof. So at any rate, I got to put brackets on, get everything secure, and start putting plastic on the roof, tarp, and covering it really well for winter. I'm not going to be able to put any boards up this winter on the roof. I got to start cutting firewood. I have not cut any of this. I need this stuff cleaned up. So next project, bracket this, get it pretty secure, if not completely secure. At least the hurricane ties, I've got them already. Get those on, get the tarps on. I think I have plenty of tarps to work with. maybe do some house wrap on the outside temporarily just to protect it. And I'll get some clear plastic next month. I'll put clear plastic in the front. That way I'll let light in there, but I got that light down below that I can use inside if I want to work in there. And I may even pick up a few more lights. I eventually will buy lights for in here. In fact, maybe even before putting the plastic up, I'll put, I don't know what they call the pieces that go across here for more support for the spread, but I'm going to put stuff up here. All of these rafters will get a bracing ran across 2x4, something that won't come way down. It'll just butt up against the center support. That's it for now. Well, I'm hoping this will stay together. I'm going to try and pull it up to a flatter spot. I may only use it for the snowmobile still. I don't know. Yeah, I got to get all this cleaned out of here. I'm going to try to see, I'm going to back the tractor up and pull that hoop down and see if I can raise it enough to squeak it in here. I don't know if I'm even wide enough, to be honest. If it is, I'd rather just tarp the snowmobile so I can park it anywhere and use this as a little garage for now for the tractor, and that storage unit that I have out there will be the garage for the tractor in the future. I'll just rig it up for the tractor, but right now I'm using it for storage until I get the shop done. Thank you for watching my video this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I've got another milestone, I think, done. Over winter, I will be working on window frames. So I'll be taking apart windows that I got and rebuilding frames, remaking frames, I should say. I'm not rebuilding the frames, they're completely shot. I've got French doors that were given to me. I'm going to make frames for those. They didn't come with a door frame, so I've got to make that, and I got to recondition those. So that'll all be processes that will be done this winter in here. I do have a little cubic wood stove I would like to install in here. I'm looking into, because it's got a, I think it's a 2 or a 3-inch pipe. I got to double check. I think it's a 3-inch pipe. If it's 4-inch pipe, that'd be great. But 3-inch pipe, I'm looking for a cathedral ceiling style box for it to go through. And that'll go through and come up this. I will probably go off the wall here, off the one center area, just off center a little bit, next to the window, is what I probably will do. So we will see how that'll work out for me. I'm thinking off to my left over here and coming up, just along the ridge beam, would be nice. Just by the time the heat gets up there, it won't be anything that'd be dangerous by that. From the down below all the way up, I don't think it'll be that hot. So I will still just the same wrap the area in fireproof blanket. Please leave a like if you liked my video, share my video, make a comment. It helps my channel out a lot. If you have suggestions, I'm always open to suggestions, unless I've already done the work. I'm not going to change it. Thanks. Have a good weekend. We'll see you next time.